In a fairground, a boy was seen moving with his father. He was happy to see a number of people and shops in the fairground. Then the boy chose a beautiful toy from a shop. Then he said to his father, "Papa, I need that toy." Then the father said to him, "Son, you have already crossed the age of playing with it." The boy remained silent, but then the boy said to his father, "Papa, I need that rainbow colored balloon." But then the father said to him again, "You have already crossed the age of playing with it." Then the boy remained silent, but said, "Papa, why are you so miser?" Then it is the question, why didn't the father buy anything for the boy? And I am waiting for your answer. Thank you.